Hello students, this video is on Internet security, session 8 from unit 2. Here we learn what is Internet security and its purpose, how to protect our personal data in the Internet, reasons for computer damage from threats and its solutions, how to make our password strong in the different way, protect your personal data from unknown, and how to clear data which is saved automatically when we are using the internet. Internet security is a branch of computer security specifically related to the internet, often involving browser security but also network security. Its objective is to establish rules and measures to use against attacks over the internet. Let's learn online threats with example. Online threats, it is also called web-based threats. Online threats are malware programs that can target you when you are using the internet. Following online threats such as phishing, email spoofing, chat spoofing, etc. can increase the chances of users getting compromised. What is malware? The name malware is short form of malicious software. Computer software that is designed to damage the way a computer works. Phishing. Phishing is a broader term for any attempt to trick victims into sharing sensitive information such as password, username, and credit card, debit card details for malicious reasons. Spoofing. The word spoof means trick. It's done by hiding one's identity or faking the identity of another user on the internet. Email spoofing. Sending messages from bogus email address or faking the email address of another. Chat spoofing. Sending the messages from bogus name or faking the messages of another user. What is hacking or hacker? Hacker is someone who gets into other people's computer system without permission in order to find out information or to do something illegal. Example, broking company details. Spam. To send someone an advertisement by email that they do not want. Spam email are not direct threat. However, many can contain malware. Virus. A computer program or part of a computer program that can make copies of itself and is intended to prevent the computer from working normally. Spyware. Spyware that collects information about how someone uses the internet or personal information such as passwords without the user knowing about it. Keyloggers. Keyloggers are a type of monitoring software designed to record keystrokes made by a user. It records the information you type into a website or application and send it back to a third party. These are the different types of threats when we are in online. These all threats damage our computer as well as data in different ways. Here are some guidelines to reduce risks from threats, such as using antivirus software, anti-spyware software, firewalls, strong passwords, etc. As I told, to reduce risk from threats, we are using the firewall. What is firewall? A device or a program that stop people from seeing or using information on computer without permission while it is connected to the internet. Strong password is the best practice to lower the risks. How to make strong password? First point, a combination of alphanumeric and special characters could be used for creating password that is not so easy to crack or guessed by other users. Second, do not keep passwords such as your favorite color, friends or relatives' names, bike numbers, mobile number, either as a single or combined option. These passwords are easy to guess if a user knows you personally. Change your password frequently, at least 2 or 3 weeks, so that your account information remains secure. Here are general guidelines for managing strong passwords. First, keep the length of the password at least 12 to 14 characters if permitted. Second, avoid keeping password based on repetition, dictionary words and letters, or number sequences, usernames, relative or pet names, etc. Include numbers and symbols in password if allowed. Use capital and lowercase letters. Avoid using the same password for multiple sites or purposes. Avoid using something that the public or workmates know you strongly like or dislike. Use random password generator if possible. See the example for strong password. If you are still facing the difficulty to generate strong password, some sites help you to generate strong password. Example, www.strongpasswordgenerator.com. Steps are as follows. Open any browser, type www.strongpasswordgenerator.com in the address bar and press enter. Click generate strong password. Notice the password displayed under new password. To protect your data from unauthorized users, follow these points. First one, back up your data. Means always keep copies of personal data in additional media such as compact disc, CD, pen drives, etc. Second option, use encryption software, usually available within the operating system, to protect your data from the unauthorized users. Third, keeping your username and password private. Never save your username and password on computer that are used in shared environment such as internet cafe. Registering with websites. Read the privacy statement or policy whenever you register with website. Next one is, do not share personal information. Websites require you to fill out forms containing fields such as name, gender, age, email address, school, etc. Be cautious when filling out such forms. To protect data from unauthorized person, you should do secure transactions. To verify if the website user secure transaction, usually it is indicated through a digital certificate represented as a golden lock in the web browser address bar. To protect your data, use antivirus and anti-spyware software. Keep your antivirus software always up to date. This can help protecting your computer from recent threats. Do not immediately respond to mails from unknown users. It may be fake mail trying to gather personal information such as your bank account details. Never open the attachment from unknown source. Clear browser cookies frequently. What is cookies? Cookies are programs that are created on your local computer when you visit the websites. Download and keep your operating system and software application up to date. To free from security holes. What is security holes? Security holes through which a hacker can take advantage. They may track and gather information or even damage the whole computer. To protect data from unauthorized person, you can install firewalls. What is firewalls? Firewalls could be software or hardware and can assist keeping the computer and network secure. Never install software from unknown sources. Means download only from well-known or reputed websites by verifying. Remove unwanted or unknown software application. These might have to got installed without your knowledge when you have visited some websites. Just now I told clear data. It protects our computer from unauthorized. Let's learn how to clear data stored in browsers and how to clear history. Web browsers have built-in password management designed to store passwords used in forms on websites. Web browsers often prompt to save usernames and passwords when users attempt to log on to a website. This facility is offered to users so that they can log on to their frequently used websites without having to type the username or passwords. To clear saved password from web browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, launch the browser. Click Tools menu. Click Options. Click Security tabs. The window will be displayed. Notice that under Password section, Remember password for sites is checked. This means the browser is configured to save password for websites automatically. You can uncheck Remember password for sites option if you prefer not to store password. To clear stored data such as cookies, visited websites or web pages data, browsing history, etc. Students, try to do this configuration in different browsers. Try to find answers to assessment questions. Don't forget that success does not come to you, you go to it. Thank you.